Hey, it's Navy Dowdy here in the Chicago area in the Midwest in the great United States. This week I'm going to ask this question: is tax Armageddon on the way? Every new president makes changes to the tax code, so why is this time so different? The short answer is because our books as a country have never been in worse shape, not even during World War II. COVID-related spending is only the icing on the already giant cake of our current federal debt that is the result of the questionable handling of the U.S. financial affairs in the past several decades. The total national debt as of a week ago was about $28 trillion, and more importantly, that amounts to 128% of the entire gross domestic product of the country. The previous high was 119% of the gross domestic product in 1946. In 1941, the two lowest tax rates for married filing jointly were 10 and 13% on earned income. But by 1952, these rates had almost doubled to 22 and 24% for the same married filing jointly return. Again, those were the lowest brackets that affected the lowest wage earners. The tax rates on higher wage earners were as high as 92% in the last 2 years of the Second World War. Today, those roughly comparable lowest tax rates are 10 and 12% respectively, and we're spending money at the highest rate the country has ever seen. If history is a teacher, then those 10 to 12% rates are likely to go as high as 20 to 24%, double today's rates, or maybe even worse. For the rich, determining the actual top rates is like a game of chess, but having been as high as 92% in the past, the base rate for the highest earners currently sets at 37%. There are many complicated trigger taxes that could further affect those rates for the highest wage earners, so we're not trying to attempt to completely unbiased and fair comparison. We are just saying that to look at the basic facts. The party is over. The writing is on the wall. The tax rates are very unlikely to remain close to what they are now for long. The tax bill is headed for the table, and if another $3 trillion gets added to the $28 trillion total national debt, the waiter is simply going to walk even faster. Okay, so we are at the precipice of tax Armageddon. What do? Save yourself. Go see a tax planner now. I'm Navy Dowdy, and remember, financial fitness can be beneficial to your wealth.